Now you will hear part 1. You have 30 seconds to read the questions. Number 1. Could you tell me where I hand in my assignment? Number 2.
I'm afraid I didn't quite catch what you said.
Number 3. Would you like to join us for lunch after class? Number 4.
I can't find the reading list for this module.
Number 5. The heating in this room is really strong today. Number 6.
Do you know if the seminar has been moved?
Now you will hear part 2. You have 30 seconds to read the questions.
Hi, I'm getting ready to do an experiment for my biology module and I could use some help.
Sure, that's what I'm here for. What's the experiment?
I want to measure how quickly different leaves break down, decompose, over a few weeks, so I can compare them.
Interesting project. Have you booked a lab time slot? The benches get busy, and you can't just start whenever you like, you need to reserve a slot in advance.
Oh, I didn't realize. I hadn't done that.
No problem, it's easy to sort out. One more thing, even though this isn't dangerous work, you should still wear a lab coat and gloves whenever you handle the samples. It's good practice.
Got it. So I should book a slot first?
Exactly. Hop on the computer over there, book a time online, and then come back and I'll get your equipment ready.
Perfect, thank you.
Now you will hear part 3. You have 30 seconds to read the questions. Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to tell you about a new recycling program we're launching across campus. Please take note. From the start of next week, you'll notice new sets of bins in every building. We're asking everyone to separate their waste into the correct bins, rather than putting everything in one place as before. The biggest change is that, alongside the usual bins for paper, plastic and general rubbish, we're introducing new bins specifically for food waste. Food scraps can be turned into compost, so please don't put them in with the ordinary bin. Why are we doing this? Quite simply, to reduce the huge amount of waste our campus sends to landfill each year. Even small changes, made by thousands of people, add up to a real difference. If you'd like to know exactly what goes where, full details are available on the university's website. Thank you for helping us make the campus greener. Now you will hear part 4. You have 30 seconds to read the questions.
Today we're going to talk about a process that's easy to overlook but absolutely vital to life on Earth: decomposition, the breaking down of dead plants and animals, and the way the nutrients locked inside them are returned to the soil. When a leaf falls or an animal dies, it doesn't just vanish. It's broken down, gradually, into simpler substances. And the organisms doing most of this work are not the ones you might first imagine. The main decomposers are microscopic: bacteria and fungi. They feed on the dead material, and as they do so, they break it apart chemically. Now, why do we call these organisms nature's recyclers? Because a dead plant contains valuable nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and so on, that were pulled out of the soil while it was alive. Decomposers release those nutrients back into the soil, where they become available once again for new plants to absorb and grow. Nothing is wasted, it's a continuous cycle. Just imagine what would happen if decomposers didn't exist. Dead leaves, branches and animals would simply pile up, year after year, and, crucially, all those nutrients would stay locked inside them, unavailable to anything else. Plants would eventually run out of the raw materials they need. The whole system would grind to a halt. Larger creatures help too. Take earthworms, for example. They don't do the chemical breakdown themselves, but by eating their way through soil and dead leaves, they shred the material into much smaller pieces. This gives the bacteria and fungi far more surface to work on, speeding the whole process up. So the takeaway is this: decomposition may seem unglamorous, even unpleasant, but it is one of the essential processes that keeps every ecosystem healthy and running. Without it, the recycling of nutrients, and life as we know it, simply couldn't continue.